Yo, what's up everyone? This is CryptoBox. We create videos about blockchain games, NFTs, and more, so consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you know most big opportunities. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about DAG Token or Constellation. And right before we get into this project, I just want to talk about some crypto updates, some crypto news, some just, covering up, what's been going on in crypto lately. So, obviously Bitcoin, everything's down. It's very down. Many people have been questioning themselves being in crypto at this point. People are not feeling safe in crypto, all that. And I see why. I understand why, because many people have lost so much money in just this bear market recently, and with the recent times and with the ongoing scams, because in crypto at this point there is so many scams, it's unbelievable. And that's why it really has a bad reputation to some people. And that's just one of the huge, biggest problems that we face in crypto right now, and NFTs and all that stuff. Although I haven't taken a look at NFTs in a while, I'm just saying that, crypto is not at its finest state at this point. It's almost like it's at its worst state, I would say, because why it would be in the worst state is because from the highest amount crypto has ever been, that was also the amount of when there was so many people invested. And obviously now that crypto market is way bigger than it was in 2017, people have lost so much more money than they have lost in a bear market in 2017. And that's why I just, people are feeling unsafe, and I understand why. It makes sense. I doubt myself sometimes, but yeah, let's get into the actual project here, DAG Token. I actually got recommended by a friend for this project, and I looked at it and it actually looks pretty good. Not like a non-trustworthy project, I guess. They are audited by Hacken, and Hacken is one of the hugest audit softwares, audit platforms, and it's very trustworthy. If you look at Hacken right here, you can see this is going to load up their audit for Constellation or DAG Token. For some reason, it is taking a little bit time here, but if you look right here, this is where you find the audit reports. And if we were to search where Constellation is, so Constellation, so there it is right there. We can see Constellation, and it has been audited on July 9th, 2021. So it's been a while since it's been audited, so you can tell that they have built their trust, they have built their project, their network a little bit more since then, because 2021 has been a while for the crypto market, because the crypto market and everything in crypto moves way faster than a company of just normal sorts would be. If you look right here, we can see that they're on KuCoin already, so they have made their move to KuCoin on Gate.io, but there is one place that they haven't moved to, and that's Binance. And if they do move to Binance exchange, you're gonna see this token at least spike up a little bit. And obviously that goes for any token that goes on Binance, but with this token, this could continuously grow. Sorry for that, but look to their Twitter, we can see that they almost have 70,000 followers, and it's finally time to talk about what they are or what they do. So they claim to be redefining Web3 interoperability with L0 consensus. So I'm not sure exactly what this means right here, but secure, feeless, decentralized, and infinitely scalable. Built the future on HTTP. So this sounds like HTTP, but a bit different. That's just Constellation, their Web3. They said it themselves. They're redefining Web3. And if you go over to their website, we can see the same slogan right here. Build the future on HGTP. Very hard to say for some reason, but we can see right here a growing ecosystem, and it seems like this is where their community has expanded to, like Amazon Warehouse. Those are their servers. You have Helium Network. That's a huge mining node type thing. I forgot exactly the word for it, but then you have Ledger. Ledger is a brand for hot wallets that I have talked about actually very recently. And then you can see right here that meet Constellation Network faster than you can say Solana. So basically what they're saying here is that they're actually faster than Solana Network, and you can see that they have over 80,000 transactions per second, which is insane amounts because really with 80,000 transactions per second, not per minute, not per hour, that's very fast and can basically have like over, if you had over 1 million wallets, that would still run quite well with 80,000 per second. They have over 25,000 DAG wallet holders, so of course that is way less than 80,000 transactions per second, so they can easily expand so much more, and they can also even better this number here. They have over 300 validator nodes, and if we look over to their robust ecosystem, they talk about their secure, decentralized, infinitely scalable, feeless, and blazingly fast. So you can see right here, test shows 80,000 transactions in 7 seconds with only 6 nodes. But the bigger the network grows, the faster it gets. So basically, more people get on Constellation Network, the faster Constellation Network gets also. So it's basically, like they said, infinitely scalable. And then you can see right here, you have like their miners, Door Miner. You have their mainnet 2.0. So this is their newest mainnet of their, I guess, Constellation Network. And if you look right here, this is pretty interesting because I actually do script and code. I script in Lua, I script in Python, and I code or program in Java. So you can see right here, this is some Python scripting, and I'm not sure exactly like what it's doing here. It seems like it's logging into a wallet. I'm not sure exactly, but then after it logs in, it transfers their DAG. But basically, it's it's scriptable. You can turn toys into tools for tomorrow. So basically, you can turn your code into a program that works with DAG, and it's pretty cool, honestly. Like, I think this is actually very nice to have, because it's very hard for some like networks to it's hard to work with like Python and all that, because they don't have a built-in like package to deal with this type of stuff. But as you can see, you can just import DAG4, and DAG4 is basically their platform, and with that you already have a lot of different modules or stuff you can use to like code with, and that's why it's really cool to have this. If we look right here, take back your data, so decentralized, basically self-explanatory, and you have like a few more things about them, and honestly that's about it. You can see right there, this is their hypergraph hour. It's like podcasts, they talk about stuff, and you can see right here like CEO Mike LeBrand, and also former CEO of Door Technologies, gives an update on the development and manufacturing status of the Door traffic miner. So this is basically an episode of them just talking about the Door traffic miner, some updates about it, how it's going and all that. And that's why it's really cool, because Door or not Door, but DAG communicates with their community, and of course that's like really great, because they listen to their community and provide what their community asks for, and honestly it's really cool. You can also see their GitHub here. So this is their GitHub. You can see it's like many different integrations you can learn about. If you look right here, this is a repo on GitHub, and it talks about different stuff here. I'm not exactly sure what it talks about. It's about like APIs and stuff. As you can see, we intend to use Swagger to publish comprehensive API docs. You surely won't understand what I'm saying here, because this is like not everyone codes or not everyone programs. So I'm just gonna skip this part. I'm not gonna go into detail, but all you have to know is that it's really helpful to programmers to have like all of this set up for them. And then you have their DAG ecosystem, basically, with over $125 million in market cap, and their circulating supply being over 2.62 billion, and their volume a little undermining, but their volume is about 290k, so that's pretty good still. And of course, this is not a huge project, not a small project necessarily. It's like a I wouldn't say a low cap gem. I would say just like mid range, because what I define mid range would be like around 60 million market cap to let's say 200 million, maybe 180 million max. And this is, mid-range, so it has a lot of room to expand, even if it was high range. So let's say it had 300 million market cap, it still has so much more room to expand. Any cryptocurrency has room to expand. You saw Bitcoin initially with, I don't know, like 900 billion market cap go up to like almost 2 trillion, which is obviously double the amount. So, you can already tell that Bitcoin has its potential to expand. Why doesn't DAG have its potential to expand? So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to talk about in this video. Just went through some stuff with DAG, Constellation Network. Basically, I just like to call it Constellation Network because it makes more sense to call it that than just DAG. But yeah, hopefully you appreciate this video and learned something new. You can also join our Twitter and Discord server to be a part of our like-minded community. And don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. And just remember, the links are in the description, because it seems like some people don't know where the links are. And this is just a reminder that they're in the description. So see you guys later. Peace.